children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn very interesting chapter, that is directions. Without wasting time, let's start. Children, we have so many public and natural places in our surrounding. In order to know the exact position and location of the place, we have to refer to their directions. Also, we have divided the day into different parts. These parts can be referred to as time. So, information about direction given in this lesson. Now, first we will learn about directions. Children, there are 4 main directions. They are also called cardinal directions. These cardinal directions are north, east, south, west. These directions are opposite to each other. The east is opposite the west and the north is opposite to the south. Children, see this picture carefully. We will learn direction with the help of this picture easily. In this picture, morning is there. The sun is rising. The direction in which the sun rises is called the east. The boy is facing rising the sun. So, the boy is facing east direction. Behind him is the west. The sun sets in the west in the evening. The boy's left hand pointed to the north and his right hand point to the south. Again, there are 4 subdirections. They are also subordinate directions. Subordinate directions refer to the direction found at the point equally between each cardinal directions. Subordinate directions are also known as intercardinal directions. Subordinate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. See this diagram carefully. Northeast present middle of north and east direction. Southeast present between south direction and east direction. Southwest present between south direction and west direction. Northwest present between north direction and west direction. So children, these are cardinal and subordinate directions. Directions tell us the path which we have to follow and leads us to our destination. Directions help us to read a map by helping to trace the path from one place to another place. On the top side of map, north direction always shown for our help. So children, practice this cardinal direction and subordinate directions. So, this was all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.